Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to create a group in WhatsApp Mobile. Do note that I have already installed WhatsApp in my mobile device. In case you have not, do install it right now and log in. Now these are all the chats that I have done. What we need to do is simply focus on the top right section. As you can see, there are these three icons: camera-like icon, search icon, and these three dots. Simply click on the three dots right here, and something like this will open up. As you can see in the first option, there's something like new group. Just click on it. Now you can add members from right here. Well, there's only one person, so I'm gonna click on him. Once everything's okay, simply hit on this button that's on the bottom right. It's a right arrow enclosed in a green button. Now as you can see, it's directed me to this page where I need to add a group name. It's optional, you can add it or not, it's completely up to you. Do note that you can also enable or disable disappearing messages from right here as well. Here are the group permissions. You can click on it and edit all the settings, like edit group settings right here. I'm gonna disable it. Send messages, that's good. Add other members, that's good. Now I don't want my members to approve new members, so I'm gonna leave it as it is. Once everything's okay, simply hit on the stick button at the bottom right. And there you go. We have created a group in WhatsApp. Well guys, that's it for the video. That's how you create a group in WhatsApp Mobile. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.